Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Zapier so that you are collecting information of your members and importing to your email autoresponder. So if you have your membership questions on and you're collecting their email addresses, then you can move that email address to your email autoresponder and you can then start sending them emails. This is a great feature because once people join your community, you already have them in your email autoresponder, and in the future, in case they cancel the membership, they will still be a part of your email list, right? And you can always send emails to them, talk about your membership, talk about the new things happening inside your membership, some new launches, and they might jump back into your membership or buy other products from you. All right, so again, this is a pro feature, so you will need a pro account. As you can see, I already have my Zapier integration turned on for my Success with Funnels, which is my pro membership. So I'm going to show you how to set that up. So you're going to go ahead and go to Zapier. Zapier is free, so you can create a free account and start building a Zap. Just go here on create a Zap. And then you are going to select your trigger. So in this case, I am using System.io and Skool, right? So I will connect Skool with my System.io account. So you're going to go and look for Skool here. There we go. All right, trigger event is going to be answered membership question. And then you are going to select your Skool account. If this is your first time, it's going to ask you to connect Skool. So you're going to connect your Skool account and then click on continue. And then you are going to test your trigger. All right, now we're going to move on to the next step, which is connecting to your email autoresponder. So mine will be system. So I'm going to look for system here. There we go. And then action event. So you want to create or update contact and you want to include adding a tag. So this is what I normally use. If people that are joining your membership, they are not already in your email autoresponder, then it's going to create a contact. If they are already a part of your email autoresponder, it's going to add a tag on that. Okay, so you're going to select this. And then you are going to connect your email autoresponder and then click on continue. And then you are going to select the tag. So bear in mind that before you do this step, you need to go ahead and create the tag first. So inside my System.io account, I've already created a tag. Now I'm just going to go ahead and connect that tag here. Success with Funnels. And then email. So we are going to look for an email value here. There we go. And then first name. There we go. And then last name. All right. Now, in order to do this, you will need some people, some members in your Skool community, right? So you can do it with your own details. So you are going to sign up for your own community. You're going to join your own community as a member. You can use a different email address for that. So that way you are going to have at least 2 members. And when you do this Zapier, Zapier already has some values to work with. Okay, it's going to pull out your details as a member. Rest over here, you don't need to do anything. You don't have any need of phone number, country, city, so you can leave that blank and then just click on continue. And then there we go. We are going to test our step. And if the test is done successfully, you are going to see this check here. Just go ahead and publish and make sure that the Zap is already turned on. Once the Zap is turned on, then that means that every members who join your community, they fill out the membership question. Information such as the email addresses will be pulled from the Skool community and it will be added to your email autoresponder, and they will also have a tag on them. So that makes it very easy for you to add them to an email campaign, or if you want to send them featured emails, or you want to add them to a course, whatever you want to do, you know that you already have their information in your email autoresponder. So that is very, very helpful. And I hope that you have this app turned on, and make sure you test it out to make sure everything is working well.